Hey guys, so I know it's might be a little bit dark in here, but so I had a couple of things and they weren't tasting all that great to me. So I thought, instead of throwing stuff away, I like birds. I love birds. Um, God gave us birds. They're flying. It's an incredible thing that they're flying. And and I know he feeds them and everything else. But that was Molly. Yeah, that's what happens when you have a blind dog. Hmm. I love you though, Molly. I love you with all my heart. You know that. Okay. So I had these things I didn't really care for anymore, and I had a little thing that I got some chicken in and throw it in the microwave. Well, anyway, the little plate I saved it. I saved it, and this is what I did. These right here, yeah, they kind of suck. Sorry, whatever brand that is. And then these, I can only eat so many of those, and they kind of went a little stale. So was, what I did was I just got a little screw and I put it on the top with a 2x4 kind of up high so the maybe mice or other rodents might not eat, but if they want to eat, so be it. My hair is, oh my gosh. But anyhow, so let me show you what I did, and please tell me what you think about it. Look at this. Look, see, and it's not going anywhere. See, it's just some holes. Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. But anyhow, easy peasy, feed the birds. So there you have it. It's really easy. It took me 3 minutes to put together. And hopefully the birds can have something to eat. I wish those birds could give me a nice haircut. Anyway, take care. Love ya. I'll see you on the next one. So long. Whoop.